Hello everyone, welcome to Ramz tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to tackle about how to tell time with using what you call different drawings, different pictures of clocks. We can determine or we can identify the long and short hand. Long hand stands for minute, short hand stands for an hour hand. This video guys, I will give you some techniques on how to read the time. But before we end, okay, remember their saying goes that time is gold, time is money. On how we are going to apply that. Of course, we need those some efforts in order to earn money, in order to earn more time. So we need to study it hard. We need to what you call discuss it thoroughly so that you can understand and how it time being used wisely. Remember, even though in giving what you call different events, we need also to check from time to time. Not only checking the weather, not only checking for what you call that particular event, checking for our teachers for coming in, checking for the students. All we need is time. That's why we need to discuss or tackle about how to tell time by using this following what you call a manual method drawing, which represents different types, different sizes of clocks. Hope my dear viewers, please watch this video. Okay, see you again for our next video tutorial. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you are updated for more updates about Ramz tutorial educational. See you again guys. We will see you there. Hello viewers, hello my dear students. Welcome back again to Ramz tutorial. So today guys, we're going to discuss about telling time or telling the time. How to do that? Remember, time is money. And that is our saying always, that time is money. Time is of the essence. Time is well important. Telling time, my dear student, through using these clocks, especially for you as we grow up and become a busy person, this topic or article will help you a lot on how to use the time wisely. In everyday living, my dear viewers or students, we need to check from time to time. Whether you have an important event, whether you go to other country, you check your details, you need time. But how you are going to apply it and how you are going to read it through clocks. This topic, we're going to discuss it one by one on how to count the long and short hands in a minute or seconds. But before that, let's unlock the definition or what is a clock. A clock means is a device used to tell time. Clocks measures time in hours, which is the shorthand rather refers to hours. Okay? And minutes have an hour hand that moves forward one tick every minute. It moves forward one clock number every 5 minutes. Say for example guys, we have here short hand and long hand. Okay, this is what we call long hand. Okay, we are going to emphasize that. We'll level that. Short hand. Okay, short hand is what we call an hour hand. Okay, this is an hour hand. Long hand is what we call the minute hand. And we need this, remember guys. Okay, so for example, clock pointing the short hand to 3 and 12, long hand rather, pointing to 12. So that means to say our time is 3 o'clock p.m. Okay? Why? It exactly pointing to 12. Let's start from 12. We're going to count it to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to start from 1. We have 5. And 2, 10. 3, 15. This is by 5, guys. 4, we have 20. 5, we have 25. 6, we have 6 is 30. 7 is 35. 8 is 40. 9 is 45 minutes. 10 is 50 minutes. 11 is 55 minutes. 12 is 60 minutes. Therefore, guys, 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour. Okay? So, if longhand pointed to 6, that means to say it's 30 past or half past 30. Okay? Let's proceed to our motivation to check the time of the following clocks. Okay? Here we go. And motivation is, what is the time now? We are going to check. We have first the different clocks here. We draw the different clocks in order to find it out, our answer. For number 1, as you have seen, number 1, shorthand pointed to 7. 6 is pointed to, longhand pointed to 6. So this is what we call 30. We're going to count here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Shorthand is our hand pointed to 7. Therefore, the time now is 7:30 a.m. Okay? You can check also our example. 2. Shorthand pointed to 7. Longhand pointed to 11. So let's just find it out. We're going to write first here 7. Shorthand or the hour hand. Then count the longhand. Start from 1. You are going to count 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay? For 11 is 55 minutes. So we're going to write 7:55 a.m. Okay? That is how you are going to write. So we're going to finish leveling it 10, 15, so 20. All you have to do, guys, just follow our example so that it's easy for you to what we call determine the time in minutes. Okay, this is very detailed what you call discussion, you my dear viewers, so that's easy for you to understand. Okay, try to focus here. Okay, that is the uses or functions of clocks. This is very much important, guys, to tell the time or to determine what time we go now or what time we end our discussions on, of course, how to present or how we're going to start our work. We need to identify the right time. We need to find out the exact time, and that is telling the time. Remember, my dear viewers, if you have a child from start ages from 4 going up, of course you are going to teach also how to tell the time. Okay, next we're going to proceed to the next clock for number 3. Okay, shorthand pointed to 7, longhand pointed to 12 exactly. So same procedure, guys. You're going to start your count. Okay, longhand in minute 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Just like this, guys. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, so 12 is belong to 60. Remember, 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour. Okay? It's 1 hour. Okay, so our time now is 7 o'clock. It's sharp, 7 sharp. That is 7 sharp a.m. Okay? Next number, shorthand pointed to 5, longhand pointed to 9. Just follow this one, guys. We're going to start counting from 1. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It's 45. Jot down 5 here. Our time is 5:45 p.m. Okay? That's it. Okay, p.m. We determined right. Next, shorthand pointed to 10, so we're going to jot down here it's 10 o'clock. We determine the minutes pointing to 1. Remember 1 is 5. So the time is 10:05 a.m. That's it, guys. Next, look at the clock. Remember, 6 shorthand pointed. I think it's pointed to 4. Yeah, it's 4. Okay, longhand pointed to 12. So it's exactly 4 p.m. Okay, that's it, guys. Remember, so shorthand is hour on. Okay, 12 is what you call the longhand is a minute hand. Next number, shorthand pointed to, I think it's between 3 and 4. It's 3. Okay, then past 12. So therefore it is 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 p.m. Okay, because when you reach here, guys, it's counting to 5 here like that. And because when you start, guys, 1, that's 5. So since longhand pointed at in between 12 and 1, so we start counting here 1, 2, 3. That's my dot. That means to say 3 p.m. So when you reach here, it's counting 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, 25, 30, 35, 40. This is 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay? Any questions regarding our topic today about telling time? I hope you viewers here really understand about our discussion telling time. This is very detailed class. This is very useful, okay, especially to your child. Okay, kiddos can learn out of our tutorial today about telling time. Again, this clock is represented as a device used to tell time, or it measures times in hours, in minutes, okay, and have an hour hand that moves forward 1 tick every minute. So it moves forward 1 clock number every 5 minutes. Okay, that is telling the time, my dear viewers. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below to our suggestion box, and don't hesitate to like, share, comments, and subscribe to Ramz Tutorial Educational. Once again, so long class. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. God bless us and mabuhay.